To install the front bumper on your Polaris Expedition, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Begin by removing the bull bumper by removing the 2 lower screws. Then remove the 4 screws and nuts from the upper mounting points. Remove rear upper screw to gain better access to the front upper screw. Next, remove the bull bumper by pulling forward. Now, to remove the front fascia, remove the 2 screws. Then, remove the 2 push-pin rivets from the underside of the front fascia. Remove by pulling the fascia forward and set it aside. Next, install the front plate by lowering the plate onto the top of the HD bumper. If installing 6,000-pound winch, do not install this plate. Then, hand tighten the 2 screws from the rear side of the bumper to hold the plate. Do not torque fasteners at this time. Next, hand tighten the 2 screws to hold the plate through the openings in the front of the bumper. Torque to specification. To install the HD front bumper, begin by removing the push-pin harness clip from the upper left mounting bracket on the frame. Next, install the bumper onto the vehicle. The middle and upper mounting points should line up with the frame. The middle mounting points should slide into the bracket in the vehicle frame. The upper mounting point will wrap around the left and right side of the bracket on the vehicle frame. Now, install the 4 screws and 4 nuts to secure the middle mounting points. Hand tighten the screws. Do not torque at this time. Next, install 2 screws and 2 nuts to secure the upper mounting points. Hand tighten the screws. Do not torque at this time. Repeat on the other side. Then install 2 screws in the lower mounting holes. Hand tighten the screws. Do not torque at this time. If the machine is equipped with a snowplow mounting plate, install 2 additional screws in the lower mounting holes. Hand tighten the screws. Next, torque the lower mounting screws to specification. Then, torque the upper mounting screws to specification. Next, torque the middle mounting screws to specification. Then, install the push-pin harness clip into the upper left mounting bracket. To install the tube loop, start by adding the 6 screws on the top of the HD bumper. Torque to specification. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.